How to fight depression? Depression can drain your energy, leaving you feeling empty and fatigued. This can make it difficult to muster the strength or desire to seek treatment. However, there are small steps you can take to help you feel more in control and improve your overall sense of well being. Read and learn how to incorporate these strategies in a way that makes sense of you. Meet yourself where you are. Depression is common. It affects millions of people, including some in your life. You may not realize they face similar challenges, emotions, and obstacles. The key to self treatment for depression is to be open, accepting and loving towards yourself and what you are going through. If you need to wallow, but do it so constructively. Suppressing your feelings and emotions may seem like a strategic way to cope with negative symptoms of depression, but this technique is ultimately unhealthy. If you are having a down day, habit, let yourself feel the emotion, but don't stay there. Consider writing or journalizing about what you are experiencing. Then, when the feelings lift, write about that too. Seeing the ebb and flow of respective symptoms can be instructive for both self healing and hope. Know that today is not indicative of tomorrow. Today's mood, emotions, or thoughts don't belong to tomorrow. If you are unsuccessful at getting out of bed or accomplishing your goals today, remember that you have not lost tomorrow's opportunity to try again. Give yourself the grace to accept that while some days will be difficult, some days will also be great. Try to look forward to tomorrow's fresh start. Assess the past instead of journalizing the whole. Depression can tinge recollections with negative emotions. You may find yourself focusing on the one thing that went wrong instead of many things that went right. Try to stop this overgeneralization. Push yourself to recognize the good. If it helps, write down what was happy about the event or day. Then write down what went wrong. Seeing the weight you are giving to one thing may help you to direct your thoughts away from the whole and the individual pieces that were positive. Do the opposite of what the depression voice suggests. The negative irrational voice in your head may talk you out of self-help. However, if you can learn to recognize it, you can learn to replace it. Use logic as a weapon. Address each thought individually as it occurs. If you believe an event won't be fun or worth your time, say to yourself, you might be right, but it will be better than just sitting here another ride. You may soon see the negative is not always realistic. Set attainable goals. A lengthy to-do list may be so weighty that you would rather do nothing. Instead of completing a long list of tasks, consider setting one or two smaller goals. For example, don't clean the house, take the trash out. Don't do all the laundry that's piled up, just sort the piles by color. Don't clear out your entire email box, just address any time sensitive message. When you have done a small thing, set your eyes on another small thing and then another. This is why have a list of tangible achievements and not to untouched to-do list.